Okay, so your number is 170 today, which is cool. Keanu, tell me what you told me about that number already.
It's an even number.
It's an even number. How do you know?
Goes to 0.
What does that 0 tell you? Well, how do you know that makes it even? What do you know about even numbers? Jeremiah?
Two numbers are odd.
Two numbers are odd. The 1 and the 7.
What did those?
Zero is even.
Which one counts when we're thinking about if it's
The
an
ones
even?
place?
The ones place. So these digits are odd, but it's this one that helps us. What do we know about even numbers? Number. We could make it into 2 equal groups. Interesting you want to think about before we start? I think it's a good number that you guys have a lot of interesting things you can do. So are you ready? I'm going to set the timer. Quiet work time. When the timer goes off, then we'll share at our tables. And we're going to be coming around just to look and see what you guys are doing today. And if you want to look back to something you did yesterday or the day before in your journal, please do that. You ready? Okay. They've never been so quiet ever.
Yeah, if you want to. Come on, they'll be here for a while. Okay.
How about Pablo? Can you start us out? Divided by 2
Plus 50 times 2.
plus 50 times 2.
1. Take away 50
Take away 50.
plus 10 times 2.
Whew. All right. Now, our job is to help check it, right? So, can we start at the beginning? Do we know 200 divided by 2 is? 100. You guys know that, like, by heart. 100 plus 50 times 2.
200.
This is 200? Or you were already adding ahead of me?
100.
This is 100, this is 100. Together they make 200. Now, take away 50.
150.
Pablo's going backwards. 150 plus,
10 times 2.
what's 10 times 2?
20.
20. Can I tell you a secret? Pablo, can I share your thinking? That the first time I saw this problem, Pablo had this. Instead of 10 times 2, he had 10 plus 10. And then the next time I came by, he changed it to this. Tell us why.
Because it's much more shorter and it's the same thing.
It's the same thing, and he liked it better. You liked it better this way with the times 2? Okay. Does Pablo's work?
Yes.
So, right. Evelyn? Oh, I remember what Evelyn's is. Okay.
10 plus 20.
Did you see this one? 10 plus 20
Plus 30.
plus 30
Plus 40.
plus 40.
Plus 20.
There's something else before the 20.
Plus 50.
50
Plus
plus
20.
What are you looking at?
20. How much is that, you guys?
Yeah.
How do you know?
Because 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is...
What, Jellica? It kind of is like expanded notation. How is it like expanded notation?
You know how you put 70 plus, she put 70 plus 0?
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of like you're putting 70 times 1. You'll go back to the same number.
Oh, like we did this right here?
Uh-huh.
Yes, it is kind of the same. You're right. How much?
50 times 50.
50 times 50.
2,500.
Wow, how much is that?
2,500.
2,500? All right.
Right here.
2,400.
Minus 2,400. How much does that make?
100.
100, okay.
Plus 2 times 30.
Plus 2 times 30? 60. Thank you, Destiny.
2 times 3.
Plus what?
2 times 3.
Ooh. This one reminds me of that one.
Plus 3.
So how much is this?
6.
6 plus
3 plus 1.
plus 1.
Who said can I have that one?
You have one just like that?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Great minds think alike. All right, are you ready? Can we do the whole thing? Can you guys help me check? 50 times 50 is 2,500. Take away 2,400.
100.
2,300. 100. Which one is it?
100.
100. Okay. Plus, what's this part? 2 times 30?
60.
60. And then look at this. 2 times 3. Does this remind you of this one, sort of?
Yeah.
6.
6. What's the difference between these two?
Just add a 0 to the 3.
Pablo?
And the first two, I had a 0 behind it, which means it's a 10. And then the second, it's just a number.
Just a number? What kind of number? Just, if this one was tens, this would be
A ones.
a ones. So if we do this one, an easy one, 2 times 3 is 6, could it help us figure this one out?
Yes.
2 times 30 is 60. He's right, this one has tens.
That's it.
Plus, wait, I lost track. This was 100
Mm-hmm.
plus 60 plus
66.
6. How much is that? 166 plus
Plus
4. 166 plus 4. How much does that
3
make?
times 7. Because there's a 0.
You could do what with this?
3 times 3.
Giselle, what do you think about that? Evelyn said you plus another 3. Evelyn said we could write it as 3 times 3. Could we do that? Yeah. Okay. So when I was walking around, I saw this problem. Malaysia, can you find your problem that starts like this? 167 divided by 167? Can you tell us that one?
167 divided by 167 plus 50 times 2.
Hold on. Plus 50 times 2. And I wrote it down, so I want to write it the way yours looked on your paper. Is it like that? Parentheses? Okay.
Plus 6 plus 10.
Plus
60 plus 10.
60 plus 10
Minus 1.
minus 1. Okay. Can you tell us about this problem? Why do you have this minus 1 down here at the end?
Because 50 times 2 plus 60 plus 10 is 170.
Okay, so let me write that. 50 times 2 is, everybody? 100. Remember our agreement? You're going to help us check? Okay. 50 times 2 is? 100. And 60 plus 10 is?
70.
Have we seen this somewhere before?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so we know this is 170. Now,
And 167 divided by 167 is 1. And that's an extra 1, so I have to minus 1 because 100, it will be 171 instead of 170.
that's a really big idea. Would get how many?
1.
1. So that's where our 1 comes from. But Malaysia knew that this was going to make this part 1 more. So at the end, what did you do?
Minus 1.
You took that 1 away at the end. That's really interesting. That's a really big idea.